In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a test email in Brevo in just 5 minutes. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Brevo's website. Brevo provides an intuitive platform for creating and managing email campaigns, and accessing the site is your first step toward crafting whatever communication you're planning. Once the website is loaded, you'll need to log in. Ensure you have your login credentials at hand. Enter them carefully to gain access to your personal dashboard where a world of email marketing awaits. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. From here, go straight to the Campaigns tab. Clicking on this tab will provide you with several options related to managing your email campaigns. To start a new project, look for the option labeled Create a Campaign and click on it. This will initiate the process of establishing your test email. Once in the campaign creation area, your first task is to choose the type of campaign you wish to run. Brevo offers a variety of options, from standard regular campaigns to more nuanced A/B testing. Select the campaign type that suits your needs. You'll then give your campaign a memorable name and carefully enter your sender information, including both your sender name and email address. This part is important as it shapes how your email will appear to recipients. From here, you'll find options to customize your email campaign further. You'll see fields for your sender information, recipients, and subject, as well as design choices and additional settings. Make sure to fill these in accurately. Your recipients should be appropriately chosen to match the purpose of your test email, and your subject line should be both engaging and succinct to entice your audience to open the email. When it comes to design, this is where your creativity shines. You can opt for an existing template, which can save time and ensure consistency in branding, or you can create a design from scratch. Brevo offers multiple design tools, including a drag-and-drop editor for easy customization, a simple editor for quick modifications, or the option to dive into HTML custom code for more precise control over your email's appearance. Once you've crafted your email, it's important to make sure everything looks good before hitting send. Navigate to the Preview and Test section, which allows you to see exactly what your email will look like in your recipients' inboxes. Here, simply click on Send Test Email. Sending a test email is a crucial step as it lets you catch any last-minute errors and ensures your email displays correctly across different devices and email clients. And there you have it, a smoothly run process to send a test email in Brevo. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating impactful and effectively designed email campaigns. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.